Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 6E Higher. Basically it is the sixth chapter of Excel 2019. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 17 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the file student Excel 6E higher download with this project. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that's required. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is on the first worksheet select the data in the range B4 to F10 and then use the quick analysis tool to insert sparkle using the line format. Place the sparkle in the range adjacent to the year 5 column. Show the high point and last point. Apply a sparkle line style using the first sparkle style in the first row. So basically in this step we insert sparkle line using the range B4 to F10. So we go on our Excel worksheet. First select B4 to F10. B4 to F10 is this one and use quick analysis tool. Here is spark line to line spark line and place the spark line in the range adjacent to the year 5 column. Show the high point and last point. So we show here is high point and here is last point and apply a spark line style using the first spark line style in the first row. So style is first row first style. So step number 2 is completed. So in the step number 3 it is saying that type trend in the cell above the spark line. So in this step we type trend in the cell above the spark line. So we got our Excel worksheet. Here is spark line and here we enter trend. So our step number 3 is completed. So in the step number 4 it is saying that use the data for the year and for each location and recommended chart command. Create a clustered column chart on a separate chart sheet named higher by location chart. So in this step we insert a clustered column chart using the same range. It means that using this range B4 to F10. So we go on our Excel worksheet. Select the range B4 to F10. In the insert tab in the recommended table here is clustered column chart. Click OK and move to the chart a new worksheet. New worksheet name is to copy this one and paste here to a new worksheet, this one. Click OK. So step number 3 is completed. 4 is completed. So in this step number 5 it is saying that display the change chart type dialog box on the chart all chart tab. If necessary on the left click column and then on right at the top of the dialog box click 3D clustered column. Click OK. So in this tab we change the chart type. So we go on our Excel worksheet. Here is the change chart type and add it to 3D clustered column. So click OK. So step number 5 is completed. So in this step number 6, it is saying that apply chart style 5 to the chart, then add a chart title above the chart with the text job hire by location. Set the title font size to 28. So in this tab we apply chart style 5 and add a chart title this one. So we gonna our Excel worksheet chart style 5. So here is the 5 chart style and chart title name is this one. So we first copy this one, copy this one and paste here. And font size to select this one, and in the home tab here is font size is to 28. So step number 6 is completed. So in the step number 7, it is saying that format the chart area with a solid fill in the first column. Click the third color. Format the plot area with the solid fill to shaded darker. In the first column, click the fifth color. So in this tab we format the chart area and plot area. So we go on our Excel worksheet and right click here, so here is the format chart area. So in the fill color, click solid fill color, and in the click solid fill in the first column, click third color. So we click third color is this one, and format the plot area. So format the this one is chart area, this one is plot area with solid fill, and solid fill in the first column, click fifth color, click first column, click fifth color is this one. So our step number 7 is completed. So I have done 7 steps of this assignment. This assignment consists of 16 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete code for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.